I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Let's get started. I literally just used the recipe from the back of the chocolate chip bag. So first, you want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then combine 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You don't have to use a sifter. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a bowl. Whisk the ingredients together and then put it aside for later. Combine 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of granulated white sugar, 1 cup of softened butter or margarine, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. You can use an electric hand mixer, but I prefer to use a stand mixer instead. Mix the ingredients until you have a creamy consistency. Occasionally use a spatula to scrape the dough from the paddle and the sides of the bowl and mix together again. Now it's time to add 2 eggs. I like to crack the eggs into a separate bowl instead of cracking them on the side of a mixing bowl and adding them into the mixture. Using a separate bowl and a pouring shield is easier if your stand mixer comes with one. Mix the eggs until incorporated. Now slowly add the dry ingredients. Scrape the dough off with a paddle attachment in the side of the bowl if needed. Don't overmix. Add in the 12-ounce pack of similar sweet chocolate chips. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Use a cookie dough scoop or 2 spoons to scoop out about 1 tablespoon of dough into the baking pan. Space out the dough about 2 inches apart. Put it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. What I do is I like to cook it for about 10 minutes, then take it out of the oven, mash down the tops of the cookies with a spoon gently, then put it back in the oven for 2 minutes, and the cookies come out a lot flatter. After the 2 minutes, place the cookies on the baking rack to cool. The recipe says it makes about 48 3-inch cookies, but to me it's closer to about 36. You can store the unused cookie dough in a food container and make it for another day. After the cookies are cool, eat and enjoy. So regarding the sweet dishes I've made, I'll put the homemade granola in 3rd place, these chocolate chip cookies in 2nd place, and the homemade cinnamon raisin biscuits in 1st place. So check out the previous recipe, the lemon shake-up video here, or in the description below, and question, what's your favorite chocolate chip cookie? God bless and comment below.